Innovative health applications is about making New York City become the role model for where cognitive computing is able to make a difference in healthcare applications.
We should win because it's a multi-billion-dollar problem that has scourged our society for pretty much since the inception of healthcare. Part of the solution is diminishing the effects that fraudsters have on healthcare.
Our solution involves using Watson to analyze medical information. We are essentially looking for other directions in a pattern. It's similar to market analysis. We'll see where a claim is not fitting our standards of correct behavior. For example, we would raise red flags when we see that an insurer or like a doctor is asking for something, some medical supplies completely out of their field, or things like that. And eventually, we'll hope to get a clear idea of when a fraud is being posed. This experience has been enriching for me. It's very different to my classroom experiences because generally I'm surrounded by computer scientists or mathematicians. And I felt that it was very interesting to just deal with other minds or other personalities. I get to pretty much grow with them throughout this process of finding a solution using Watson. And I'm looking forward to keep being in touch with them.
The experience that I actually went and I encountered with doing the Watson product was I met these wonderful people. 2 people are missing, but each person had their specialty. We had 3 students from Baruch, finance, entrepreneurship, and accounting, and we had 1 person that was in the healthcare, public health, and then we had Javier that was actually in computer science. And it was interesting how each of us actually went and came up with a solution to the problem. And let me tell you, we worked our butts off. I hope you can edit this, but we worked our butts off in order to go and actually come up with an idea. I kind of did an informal calculation, and I think that we worked probably about I think it was about 30 hours, and we developed Together. 30 hours together doing meetings in New York City. And mind you, all of us are not from New York City. I'm from Peekskill. Javier's from Bronx.
South of Brooklyn.
South of Brooklyn. And then Claire's from Queens. And then also Shirley's from Queens. And Zaipei, she just kind of pops up. So I'm pretty sure she's from Queens. But, it's been a good experience, good people, and a lot of different ideas in order to go and tackle this. And I would love to see more of these different type of competitions because it goes and it brings CUNY, all the different disciplines of CUNY together in order to solve a common problem. And that's just wonderful.
I believe that this experience has been the most rewarding for the ability to learn about a new type of technology that is emerging in the business world, healthcare sector, and as well as in the government, and of course many others. But I'm personally very interested in the relationship between communities and the government, and how that the mobility of individuals really involves the participation of people. So I think that with the technology that we're learning about today, I think that it really helps to create new opportunities for not just ourselves as we approach the beginning of our careers, but I really believe that it should have an impact for people that are in different countries and are not as developed as we are. So I think that we are quite lucky.